Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, it's Smith-Morra. Let's go with this one. Knight A3, try some business, naughty business. Can I get him to open up the position a bit if he takes another pawn? Like bishop B3, if he took here the bishop would be kind of nice. Maybe there's knight c4, that's an advantage of sort of that, okay. Maybe bishop b2 and c4 coming up. Although, okay, I'm hoping, although, yeah, there might be bishop f6. Okay. Is there bishop a3 to think about? Maybe it's not completely, totally, unbelievably terrible if I can get some sort of attacking stuff going on. Is that at all likely? There's knight g5. That's not. Lose faith. There's knight g5. Windy outside. Okay. Okay. And this one. I might be bringing something here. Might be. If I got rid of that dark square bishop now. Just wondering if I get in g4, that'd be interesting after. Okay, so g4 might, knight f4. Maybe if I take here and knight d3. Taking a knight d3. Oh no. Does that spoil everything? Yes. Is there anything to play for here? He's a bit slow though. At least. Okay. Oh, f6 is coming now. Yes. c4. I'm going to take that. Has he given me anything? Any weaknesses to play with? Not much. Ah. Knight h4 probably doesn't do anything. Knight b7, not much. Groveling. Groveling, grovel, grovel. Losing material now. Let's get a pawn there for it, for the exchange.
Check.
Coordination. Bit of coordination. Knight f7. Is knight f7 any good? Well, it might be, yeah.
Check.
Right. Okay. Okay. F5. Rook b5. Yeah, that rook b5 is a pain.
Check. Check.
Let's see, can he actually lose this if he's not careful? If I bring my king up, hang on, let's see if I can bring my king up. He's letting me about. Is he gonna let me bring my king up? Uh-huh.
Check. Check.
I suppose he just plays rook f3. Right.
Check.
Pretty drawish, isn't it?
Check.
And this is a way of... Let's see. No, I think I'm going to offer a draw now.
Draw?
Yeah. Just testing. Bit too long there. I know. Yeah, lucky to get back in game. It's sort of mayhem and the Mora stuff. But I think I've misinterpreted it. This is just not great. Maybe knight d4. I didn't have to lose all the pawns. Yeah, this is not too good. Weakening whole diagonal. Unfortunately, yeah, that kills everything. Grovelly game, yeah. Alright, maybe the main line Sicilian next time. Yeah, I'm not getting great positions out of that. Okay, thanks very much.